In last period in fourth standard, we have seen we learned about the point rounding of the number. First point is rounding up to the nearest tens. We learned in last period. Then second is rounding off numbers to the nearest hundreds. Next point is rounding off numbers. Rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers to nearest hundreds. Rounding of numbers to the nearest hundreds. Then first up, we have given an example. We have given two numbers 8364, 86 and 496345. We solve this example. Three steps are given. First step is identify the place which is to be rounded up. We have given first number. First step is identify place which is to be rounded up. Identify place which is rounded up. Identify the place which is rounded up. First one, write these numbers in their place values: 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and 4. One number 83683. We have given first we start with lakhs. 6 digit number. This 6 digit number then starting from lakhs. 83648. Write this number in there. Identify place which is rounded out. Then second step is check one's place digit. Check one's place. Check. We have to find rounded off number to the nearest hundreds. We have to find rounded off numbers to the nearest hundreds. Then check. We have to check tens place. We have to check tens place. If it is 5, if it is greater than 5 or greater than 5 or greater than 5, then add 1 to the hundreds place digit and keep ones place and tens place as a 0 and rest digits are same. We have to check tens place digit. This is 8. Then it is greater than 5. Then add 1 to the hundreds place digit and tens place and ones place digit are 0 and remaining digits are as same. That is add 1 to the hundreds place, that is 4 plus 1 is 5 and ones place and tens place 0 and remaining digits are same as it is. Then rounded number is 83. 8,36,500. Rounded up number is 8,36,500. Then next number is 496345. 496345. Then first write this is their place values 496345. 496345. Then check whether identify place value which is to be rounded off. We have to consider tens. We have to find round off to the nearest hundred. Then consider tens place digit. In tens place digit, number is 4. That is less than 5. Then rule third is if tens place digit is less than 5, then write 0 at ones place and tens place digit and keep the rest of digits are same. Keep the rest of digits are same. Then it is less than 5, then keep ones and tens and ones place digit are 0 and rest digit are same as it is. Then rounding off to the nearest hundredth number is 4,96,300. We have given this rounded off number. Then our next point is rounding off to the nearest thousands. Our next point is rounding off to the nearest thousands. Rounding off to the nearest thousands. For example, example is 794782 and second number is 395266. Then we have to find rounding off to the nearest thousands. Then first step is identify the place which is to be rounded off. Then we have given one first number. Write this number in their place value chart. Place value chart like 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and 1. Then first number is 794782. Then our second step is check whether the 100 place. We have to find round out to the nearest thousand. Then we examine firstly hundreds place digit. Then hundreds place digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5. Then add 1 to the thousands place digit and hundreds place, tens place and ones place digit is 0. Then we have to examine firstly hundreds place digit, that is it is 7. Then add 1 to the hundreds place digit, that is 4 plus 1 is 5 and keep hundreds place, tens place and ones place 0 and remaining digits are same as it is. Then rounding off number is 7,95,000. Rounding off number is 7,95,000. Then we have given second number. Second number is 395265. We have given. Then examine hundreds place digit. Examine hundreds place. First step is examine hundreds place digit. Identify the place which is to be rounded up. Then first in hundreds place digit 2 are given, that is the number less than 3. Then step 3 says that if a number in hundreds place digit is less than 5, then keep 0 at ones, tens and hundreds place and remaining of digits remains unchanged. That is keep hundreds, tens and ones place digit are same and remaining digits are as it is. Then the rounded number is 3,95,000. Then next point is exercise 1.7. Solve this exercise in homework. Then our next point is Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Then we use 10 numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is known as a decimal system. The Arabs was doing trade with us. They learned this decimal system and passed it to the rest of the world. Due to this reason, this system is called as Hindu-Arabic system. Rome is an ancient civilization which had its own 7 symbols for writing various numbers. The Romans used the 7 letters of English alphabets in place of numbers. Then we have given firstly Roman numerals. Next column is Hindu-Arabic numbers. Hindu-Arabic numerals. Then we have given Roman numerals. We use 7 alphabets to English alphabet to determine the value. Then first Roman letter is I. That is I is denoted by value 1. The value of I is 1. Next one is V. V is the value of V is 5. Next one is X. The value of X is 10. Next one is L. The value of L is 50. The value of L is 50. Next was C. The value of C is 100. Next one is D. The value of D is 500. Next one is here. There is 1,000. This is chart. We have in Roman numerals we have used 7 alphabets in 7 English alphabets. Then the value is written in the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Then I, the value of I is 1, value of P is 5, value of X is 10, value of L is 50, value of C is 100, and value of D is 500, value of M is 1000 in Roman numerals. Then rule first is, we have given 4 rules. The rule first is, repetition of numeral. Repetition of numeral. Repetition of numeral I, X, C and M means addition. However, cannot be repeated more than. However, it cannot be repeated. Cannot be repeated. cannot be repeated more than 3 times. More than 3 times. P, L and D cannot be repeated. Repetition of numeral ix and c, ix, c and m means addition. It cannot be repeated more than 3 times, and v, l and d cannot be repeated. This is our rule. First, for example, I is denoted by 1, x is 10. Then 2 times I is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then 2 times x is 10 plus 10 is 20. Then 3 times I is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 times x is 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. This is row first. Then VLD cannot be repeated, and the numeral I, X, L, C and M repeated cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Then rule second is when smaller value symbol, when smaller value symbol is placed on left of bigger, it means subtraction. Second rule is when a smaller value symbol is placed on left of bigger value, then it means subtraction. Then we get example I into V, that is smaller value symbol given on left of bigger value. Then 5 is bigger, then we get subtraction. Then V is 5 and I is 1, then 5 minus 1 is 4. Second example is I into x is equal to x is 10 and I is 9, then subtraction. I is 1, then subtraction is 9. Then third rule is when smaller value symbol when a smaller value symbol on right to bigger value symbol, on right to bigger value symbol, it means addition. For example, 5 into V is denoted by 5, I is denoted by 1. Then I is written in right to the bigger value. 5 is bigger. Then we get addition, that is 5 plus 1 is 6. Then next one is x into I, that is 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. Then last rule 4 is for expressing number, greater than 10, then number first split, in terms of tens are 1. In terms of tens are 1. For example is we have given 50, then 15 is split as a 10 plus 5. Then in the Roman numerals 10 is x and 5 is 3. Write this number. First we split the given number. Rule 4 says that for expressing number greater than 10, then number first split in terms of tens and ones. Then we split this number 15 as a 10 plus 5. Then 10 in Roman numeral x and 5 is 3. Second example is 18. Then we get 10 plus 5 plus 3. Then this is written as 10 as a x, 5 as a b, and 3 is 3 times I. This is point Roman numeral. Then solve exercise 1.8. In this period, we finish our first topic. Topic name is numbers. Then in next period, we start our second topic, addition. Okay, thank you.